Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the GAICOM 8GB DDR4 2666MHz SO-DIMM laptop memory module. This kit comes as two 4GB sticks, operating at a standard 1.2V, making it a power-efficient upgrade for your laptop, notebook, mini PC, or all-in-one device. If you're looking to breathe new life into an older machine, or simply need a bit more memory for smoother multitasking, this GAICOM kit is definitely worth considering. It adheres to the JEDEC standard, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of DDR4 supporting systems. The 2666 MHz speed is a sweet spot for many laptops, offering a noticeable performance boost over slower memory without breaking the bank. Installation is straightforward, as it's a standard SO-DIMM module. Just pop open your laptop's memory compartment, carefully remove the old modules, and slot these in. Make sure they click into place, and you should be good to go. In terms of performance, the GAICOM memory delivers exactly what you'd expect. It provides a noticeable improvement in responsiveness, especially when running multiple applications or working with large files. The 8GB capacity is sufficient for most everyday tasks, including browsing, document editing, and light gaming. The low-voltage operation is a plus, as it helps to reduce power consumption and heat output, which can be particularly important in laptops. The GAICOM memory module is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable DDR4 upgrade. It's easy to install, compatible with a wide range of devices, and offers a noticeable performance boost for everyday tasks.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.